Welcome to Star Chat, the podcast, where we explore the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. I'm your host, Carl, and I'm excited to share another episode of space news and discussions with you. Today, we're going to dive into some of the latest updates from around the world of space exploration. First off, let's talk about a recent development in NASA's Artemis program. The agency has confirmed that it's moving forward with plans to launch the Artemis, the second mission, on April 1st, pending the completion of some final work. This mission will send 4 astronauts on a journey around the Moon, marking a major step towards returning humans to the lunar surface. However, the mission has faced several delays, including issues with hydrogen fuel leaks and problems with the rocket's upper stage propellant pressurization system. In other news, NASA has announced that it's canceling its plans to develop the Exploration Upper Stage, a multi-billion-dollar project that was intended to upgrade the Space Launch System rocket. Instead, the agency will be using a commercial option provided by United Launch Alliance. This decision comes as a bit of a surprise, given the significant investment that had already been made in the Exploration Upper Stage. Meanwhile, SpaceX is making progress on its Starship program, with the first Block 3 Super Heavy booster now mounted on the company's newest launch pad at Starbase, Texas. The pad has been under construction for nearly 2 years and will play a key role in the development of the Starship program. SpaceX founder Elon Musk has said that the first Block 3 launch is about 4 weeks away, suggesting a launch date sometime in early April. We'll also be keeping an eye on some upcoming launches, including a Falcon 9 mission scheduled to take off from Vandenberg Space Force Base on March 13th, carrying a new batch of Starlink satellites into orbit. And on March 15th, China will be launching a Long March 6A rocket from the Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center. Although the details of the payload are still unknown, we'll be right back with more fascinating space news on Star Chat. Welcome back to Star Chat, where we're exploring the wonders of the universe and all its secrets. As we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's take a step back and consider the resilience of life on Earth. We've often heard that cockroaches and rats are among the most likely creatures to survive a global catastrophe, but today we're going to introduce you to an even more unlikely candidate for the title of Ultimate Survivor. Imagine a world where asteroid impacts, supervolcanic eruptions, and even planet-sterilizing events have pushed life to the brink of extinction. In this desolate landscape, one creature stands out as the last one standing. Meet the tardigrade, also known as the water bear, a microscopic animal that's capable of withstanding conditions that would be lethal to almost any other living thing. These tiny creatures can survive without water, withstand extreme temperatures, and even endure the harsh conditions of space. They're like the ultimate space travelers, able to shrug off the effects of radiation and emerge unscathed from the vast frozen expanse of the cosmos. It's as if they're wearing a built-in spacesuit, complete with a force field that protects them from harm. But what makes tardigrades so resilient? The answer lies in their unique biology, which allows them to enter a state of dormancy called cryptobiosis. In this state, they become desiccated, losing up to 95% of their body water, and their metabolism comes to a near halt. It's like they're putting themselves into a state of suspended animation, waiting for the environment to become more hospitable again. As we consider the tardigrade's remarkable abilities, we're reminded of the incredible diversity of life on Earth. From the simplest bacteria to the most complex ecosystems, our planet is home to an astonishing array of creatures that have evolved to thrive in almost every environment imaginable. And yet, despite this diversity, there's a common thread that runs through all living things, a thread of resilience, adaptability, and determination to survive against all odds. As we look out into the universe, we're struck by the realization that life is not just a fragile, fleeting phenomenon, but a robust and resilient force that can thrive in even the most inhospitable conditions. The tardigrade's ability to survive in a world without water, without air, and without sunlight is a testament to the boundless potential of life, to adapt, evolve, and overcome even the most daunting challenges. So, as we continue our journey through the cosmos, let's take a moment to appreciate the incredible resilience of life on Earth. From the mighty tardigrade to the humblest microbe, Every living creature is a reminder of the awe-inspiring power of life to thrive in a universe that's often hostile and unforgiving. Welcome back to Star Chat as we conclude our journey through the cosmos for today. We've explored the wonders of the universe, from the resilience of life on Earth to the mysteries of the distant galaxies. Now, let's dive into a fascinating discovery that's shedding new light on the explosive events that shape the universe. Imagine a supernova, a massive star explosion that briefly outshines an entire galaxy. These events are among the most powerful in the cosmos, releasing an enormous amount of energy that can be seen from millions of light years away. But what drives these explosions? What could be the engine behind such colossal releases of energy? Researchers have been studying a nearby Type I superluminous supernova known as SN 2024 AFAV, and their findings are providing insights into the heart of this explosive event. At the center of the supernova, they've discovered evidence of a magnetar, a highly magnetized neutron star that's spinning at an incredible rate. This magnetar is surrounded by an accretion disk, a swirling disk of matter that's falling towards the star. But here's the fascinating part. The accretion disk is undergoing a phenomenon known as lens-Thirring precession. This is a mind-bending effect where the rotation of the magnetar creates a kind of drag on the fabric of space-time around it, causing the accretion disk to wobble and oscillate. It's as if the magnetar is creating a cosmic whirlpool, with the accretion disk swirling around it in a complex dance. This discovery is not only shedding light on the mechanisms that drive supernovae, but also providing a unique window into the extreme physics of neutron stars and black holes. The lens-Thirring precession is a fundamental aspect of general relativity, predicted by Einstein's theory of gravity, and observing it in action is a thrilling confirmation of our understanding of the universe. As we gaze up at the stars, we're reminded that the universe is full of mysteries waiting to be unraveled. From the intricate dance of celestial mechanics to the explosive power of supernovae, every discovery is a testament to the awe-inspiring complexity and beauty of the cosmos. So, as we conclude today's Star Chat, remember that the universe is full of secrets waiting to be uncovered. Keep looking up at the stars, and who knows what wonders you might discover. The universe is a book written in the language of mathematics and physics, and every new discovery is a page turned, revealing a new chapter in the grand story of creation. That's all for today's Star Chat. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and until next time, remember to keep looking up at the stars.